Thank all participants for our visit to Anjaneya Temple, Mahalakshmi Layout, and Sri Kantirava Studio Special. Thanks Tosri Ravishamkar, my learned friend, former administrative officer of studio, for the guidance given by him. For making this trip grand success, convey my heartfelt thanks to event in charge of Primus Krithi for organizing the trip in most wonderful ways. Special thanks to Sharanya and Madhu for making this trip success.
I am Madhu from Talavadi, Gajanuru, Rajkumar's birthplace.
ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದೆ ನಾನೇ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ ಮಧು ಯು ಆರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಬರ್ತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪದ್ಮಭೂಷಣ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಲವ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ Rajkumar statue and everything, what do you feel about it? You saw Rajkumar statue and Punit Rajkumar statue. Are you very much impressed about it? You tell me.
I am Madhu from Talavadi, Gajanuru. Actually, I am proud of myself because I worked in Gajanuru, like Talavadi.
ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
It's very nice experience. I saw Anjaneya Temple, Rajkumar, Punit Rajkumar, Ambarish and Parvatama Samadhi. This is very memorable.
Since you are from Rajkumar's place,
Yes.
you felt very happy to see this statue. You saw all the movies and everything. How do you say about the studio atmosphere?
There is no any word saying extraordinary.
Thank you. Vijaya. I am Mr. V.S. Naraprakash, Program Director of A1 Bangalore and other reputed media, Express Times and senior journalist. Today from Primus, in a group, we came to Anjaneya Temple of Mahalakshmi Layout. It's a very good experience and a sacred experience. We all enjoyed it. We had a holy and sacred feelings among us. Thereafter, we came to Kantirava Studio. My learned friend, Mr. Ravishankar, ex-administrator, was very kind enough to take us to this place and guide us. And in the studio, we saw Rajkumar and Parvatama Rajkumar, Ambarish and Punit Samadhi. It was very, very interesting. And we were very much impressed about in the Samadhi. They put photos, slides of all films, major films acted by Mr. Rajkumar. Since Rajkumar is the person who is my guru, who is responsible for me to become a writer, who is mainly what all success I have achieved in my life, I will attribute it to Dr. Rajkumar only. And he was very kind enough to meet me whenever I meet him in his house, and in so many occasions I met him, and it's a very good experience. I also thank Ravishankar once again. Moreover, we are extremely thankful to Mr. Raju, the managing director of the studio, was kind enough in permitting us to have a view of the studio, was very kind enough, and we also honored him. Thank you very much, and it was a very good experience. Thank you, Anita.
Spiritual journey ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. We started our journey from the temple. It was very nice. We feel divine blessing, and then we went to the Samadhi studio, and there also we saw Rajkumar and Parvatama and Rajkumar Samadhi, and then we saw few shooting also, the jail shooting, the court one where we are standing here now. And it was a very good experience, and I got to meet so many friends here. And I should thank Mr. Grana Prakash sir for taking us for the journey.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
ಆಂಜನೇಯ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ, ಅದರ ಅನುಭವ ಏನು?
ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಂಜನೇಯ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಯೂ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೈಸ್, ಗೇವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಚುವಲ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್. ನಾನು ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುಂಚೆನೂ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ನೀವು.
ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬಿಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಶ್ ವಿ ಐ ಕುಡ್ ಸಿ ಒನ್ ಶೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಜಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗುಡ್.
ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರ ನಟಿಸಿರೋ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳ ಶಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಆಯ್ತಾ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್?
ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕವಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅವರೇ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಲೀಡ್ ರೋಲ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 3-4 ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಬಂತು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಜ್ಯೂಟಾ
ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ,
ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗೆದು ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ
ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಂಟೆಡ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಬನ್ನಿ ಸರ್.